he's giving me his computer because he's going to. This place is just so beautiful and the lighting is so good. Little bit of makeup and this Shein jewelry which I love so much. Hello vlog, how's everyone doing today? We are good and we are going out. I'm all ready as you can see, and I'm going to show you all my outfit in a minute. If you have watched our last vlog, the Kmart shopping vlog, if you haven't, it's up on my channel. I do share a lot of things on both my channels, and my other channel link will be below in the description box too. We are going somewhere today. We wanted to go to like New South Wales, then like we thought like it's late. It's now 11:49 a.m. So yeah, I just had myself some breakfast late today. Just had a few Weet-Bix with peanut butter and almond milk. I wanted to just share my computer station with you all. My son has decided to give me his computer, as you saw in my last vlog. If you missed it, it's up on my channel, so you should watch like all my vlogs to be updated with what my family is up to. Okay, so yeah, I wanted to buy a computer today. Okay, today was my day. Then yesterday my son decided to give me his computer because he thinks I'm buying the wrong one, and his computer is worth like $4,000. The one I was going to buy today is like around 2,000, and he's not happy with it, and he is telling me that I edit a lot of videos, so I have to like have a good computer. Okay, so why he's giving me his computer? Because he's going to like make himself a new one. He builds computer by himself. Like if you haven't like watched the video where he built that computer, the one he is giving, in that video the parts we have used, he upgraded a bit. He plays games a lot. He's like saying that he's going to build one, so I know he will be building a good one, better than this one. That's why he's giving me his one. But for me it's okay. Like I don't even need that much. Like I think it's a gaming computer and I don't like play games, but still he wants me to have a good one, like literally a good one. When kids were very small, I got this computer. I think Isha was going to prep that time, and what was that for?
Dance. Do you think this looks better?
Yeah, I love it.
This is my brother's hoodie. He gave it to me yesterday.
That's nice. Go wear your shoes. Go wear shoes.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Okay,
oh yeah.
So yeah, I'm going to reset this computer, and I think I'm going to move this table and this computer in Isha's room so she can
I'll play Roblox.
Okay, so this computer will die very soon. So this is what I'm wearing today. This pants is from Shein. I think I shared in my last vlog, Hinstem vlog. Literally, I just love this pants so much, and it's very cold, so that's why I'm wearing it. I don't have much of the sweatpants at the moment. Literally, I think I gave all away to girls, and like I did declutter a lot of clothes too. So this is the top I'm wearing. I think I like it. It's by Adidas. This hoodie, it's Edwin's. He gave me yesterday, so I thought I'll just wear this with these shoes which I got from Kmart, I think. Like literally it's so cold, so I thought I'll just wear something like this. I'm wearing a little bit of makeup and this Shein jewelry which I love so much, and I did apply a red lipstick today because why not? And yeah, so this is the outfit of the day. I hope you guys like it. Hello. What did you buy?
Nothing.
Then why did you go there?
like my little toe. I bumped it in the corner of my bed this morning.
Oh,
It
you're
really
being
hurts.
naughty. You're being very naughty this morning. We came and you didn't. Oh my gosh.
Use the stairs.
I didn't even see the stairs, you know. It's beautiful, guys. I love that tree. The light, na?
The sea is there.
Eliza's gone.
The sea is there.
Barely said it.
I'm familiar with this. It's nothing new.
No, we didn't come here.
No, yeah, we didn't come, but this is not new. It's been there for many, many years. Juliet balcony. Yeah, this is not new, but the bus na
How did you go there? Up there?
just jump.
No, don't go up because security just flashed the lights and us.
Oh,
Don't sit up there.
not allowed.
Oh, go to the place. Go to the inside the sea. The open.
Chalo, chalo.
There's more space.
This place is so gorgeous, guys. Nice. It's beautiful. I think we can't go there. Or what?
I low-key want some McDonald's.
You want some McDonald's?
Yeah. Why is that making noises?
It's telling us to go away. One day I'll come in the daytime and then I'll show you all around this place. Like literally, it's such a relaxing place. It's in Broad Beach. And what's the park name? Broadwater Park? Literally, I have got no idea, but we came here once, I think last year. Now another year before that year,
Oh my God, imagine being in the very
for New
top.
Year. Like it was New Year's Eve was here. I think it's always been held here. Naisha. Okay.
Imagine being on the very top of that.
Yeah, we can go there. We can walk up there. You can walk up there. Okay, let's go. They are taking pictures. This place is just opposite from like Australia Fair. Yeah, I don't know, my camera is not focusing, but that blue light, green light or whatever, that's Australia Fair. So yeah, I am loving this place. Like literally we came here before, but like long time ago. Like I will come during the daytime and show you all around this place. Like literally love it. And we didn't go anywhere in the daytime. We went to McDonald's, then we came back because we planned to come at night here. And as I said, this place is so beautiful, we should go there. So yeah, this is the spot. So yeah guys, this is it for this video for today. I think I'm gonna continue. We are going to McDonald's because Isha wants to eat McDonald's, so we'll go there. And yeah, first we have to find Eliza and her friend, and then we will go to McDonald's. And I will edit this video in my new computer.
Are you gonna do it tonight?
Not tomorrow.
Oh.
I'll do it tomorrow because it will be late. I don't want to do it now. Like literally this place is just so beautiful and the lighting is so good too for pictures and videos. Like literally I took, I think, quite a lot of videos for TikTok. Is Eliza there? No.
No, that's not Eliza.
Okay.
We're gonna call them.
Yeah. This spot is so pretty, Isha.
What am I stepping on right now?
Come here this way. We are going here to eat some snack. Is there a bench? Oh, there is one bench. That's beautiful. Hello.
Hello. Welcome.
This guy only wants to eat chips, you know. That's why he brought us here.
No, you can't do that.
Ed, is this place wet?
No.
No.
It's such a child. He's going on to the playground.
Huh?
He's going on the playground.
The monkey.
Yes. What you doing?
Yes,
Is he
go on.
spinning around?
Yeah.
Got my snacks. What else you got? Got this one.
I can't see this.
Wow, so cute.
Goodbye. What are you doing?